as I was talking about that I'll be talking about the rules of changing from present and how it changes to past, and अगर already past है तो इसमें हम किसमें change करें. So these are the lot of questions that vary whenever we are talking about narration, direct and indirect speech. So let's just talk about this here. Let me write the topic first. It becomes easier for you to relate. Okay, now, so the tricky part that I had told you about the pronouns and the adverbs, वो लोग कैसे change होते हैं, I have already told you about this. Now let's see how we change from present to past tense. Now see, we have to remember, you know, it's very easy. Like जब हम लोग कुछ नया सीख रहे होते हैं, तो it becomes very difficult to remember so many things together. लेकिन अगर आप एक बार आप लोग सीख जाओ और फिर उसके बाद when you are applying that in your sentences, then you will realize अरे ये तो इतना easy था, मुझे तो इतना पता ही नहीं था, it was so easy. क्या होता है, like स्कूल लेवल में हम लोग जब पढ़ते हैं तब हम लोग उतना ध्यान नहीं देते, right? We mainly concentrate on our marks, कि हम लोगों का मार्क्स थोड़ा अच्छा आ जाए तो I think we are sorted for our life. लेकिन बाद में पता चलता है कि मार्क्स सब कुछ नहीं होता, you have to be very sound in your knowledge, right? तो अभी जब हम लोग कोई नेक्स्ट एग्जाम में बैठेंगे, एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में बैठेंगे, तो दे चेक लॉट ऑफ अदर पार्ट्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम जस्ट द नॉलेज, राइट? तो क्या है कि जितना हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना हम लोग जल्दी उसका आंसर कर पाएंगे. तो इट इज़ नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग कि अरे ये सब एग्जाम तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, इतना सारा ग्रामेटिकल रूल कैसे याद रखे. हम सब ये सब पढ़ चुके हैं, राइट? ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन दिस इन आवर स्कूल लेवल. अभी जो है इट इज़ जस्ट अबाउट रिविजन. So you just go through it and just practice a little bit more, and I'm sure you all are going to, you know, pass in flying colors. So you just have to practice a little bit more. जितना हम लोग स्कूल लेवल में करते थे उससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा और प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, and you are like really sorted for your exams and then of course your life in later on. Therefore it is not so difficult. बस थोड़ा रूल एक बार समझ लेना, जो प्रोसेस है ये प्रोसेस थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, बट वंस वी ऑलरेडी नो द प्रोसेस, वी नो द रूल्स, now you don't need any more time. Now you are able to, you know, do and solve things on your own. So थोड़ा टाइम ले लो रूल्स समझने में. as soon as you know the rules, you are done with it. So now you can also teach somebody, you know, who is having difficulties. So it is not a very big thing to understand. ये जो एग्जाम है, एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स है, हाँ ये you have to practice, that is there, but it is not such a rocket science कि अरे ये तो मेरे से होगा ही नहीं, तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है. So just do not take things so in a complicated manner. बहुत ही सिंपल है, तुम लोगों को बस प्रैक्टिस करना है, lot of practice, and I'm sure, you know, you are going to crack the exams. So just not to worry about this. थोड़ा बस वक्त लेके हम लोग को रूल्स जानना है, and rest it's completely based on our practice. So let's talk about the rules now. As I was saying, I will tell you from how we change the tense of the inverted comma part in the sentence for direct and indirect speech. So usually how do we remember this? I'll just write here one chart so that you can remember it for a longer period of time. So अगर सेंटेंस के अंदर, मतलब इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के अंदर, अगर जो सेंटेंस है वो अगर सिंपल प्रेजेंट में है, वो हो जाएगा इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में एकदम सिंपल पास्ट में. तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट है तो सिंपल पास्ट ही करना है, नो कॉम्प्लिकेशन इज नीडेड हियर, राइट? सो लेट्स सी इट दिस वे. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, अच्छा पहले मैं ये लिख लूं कि ये है डायरेक्ट स्पीच के लिए और ये है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच के लिए, ठीक है? Simple, let me just write it a little far. Simple present tense, right? ये क्या हो जाएगा indirect speech में? Simple, अच्छा I'll just draw a line here. Simple past tense, एकदम easy. Present, simple present है, उसको बस simple past में change करो और कुछ problem है नहीं. Okay, right? Simple present tense changes to simple past tense. ये हो गया number 1. Let's see number 2. तो मतलब my father comes to my house every day. ये मैं किसी और को बोली थी, ये पास्ट इंसिडेंट है, मतलब मैं घटना ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, अभी मैं किसी को रिप्रोड्यूस कर रही हूँ. तो आई टोल्ड माई मदर दैट पापा तो रोज आते थे, पापा केम एवरी डे, राइट? सो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस था, कम्स था, वो हो गया चेंज होके केम, मतलब पास्ट में. एज सिंपल एज दैट. नाउ कम्स प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. देखो अगर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस है तो बहुत इजी हो जाएगा पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में, राइट? इट विल चेंज टू प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस, विल चेंज टू पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, वेरी इजी. ओके, नाउ नंबर 3 बहुत इजी है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस होगा तो क्या होगा, ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल चेंज टू पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, वेरी इजी। ये रूल याद रखना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस that will change to past perfect tense. Similarly, if it is present perfect continuous, it will change to past perfect continuous. It has been, my friend said, it has been raining since morning. My friend said that it had been raining since morning. So same है, कुछ change नहीं है, बस present को past में convert करना है। Present perfect continuous tense हो जाएगा past perfect continuous tense। Now यहां तक तो इट वॉज प्रिटी इजी कि अगर प्रेजेंट है तो पास्ट में ही करेंगे, बस सिंपल सा बात है, कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं है। बट हियर या प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट अगर सेंटेंस ऐसा दिया है कि माई फ्रेंड कम्स टू माई हाउस, अब उसको तुम चेंज करो इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच में, प्रेजेंट का बस पास्ट हो जाएगा, तो तुम बस उसको कंटिन्यूअस में कर दिए कि माई फ्रेंड वॉज कमिंग टू माई हाउस, देन योर सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग। क्योंकि अगर सिंपल प्रेजेंट में है तो सिंपल पास्ट में ही करना है। आई कैन नॉट क्रिस क्रॉस, ये क्रिस क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते, सिंपल प्रेजेंट को हम पास्ट में नहीं डाल सकते, या प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस को आई कैन नॉट पुट इन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस कि जस्ट पास्ट तो मैंने बना दिया तो आंसर तो सही है, नो इट्स रॉन्ग, आई कैन नॉट डू दैट। ओके, सो दिस इज कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग मेथड ऑफ डूइंग। अगर सिंपल प्रेजेंट है तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट पास्ट में ही तुमको रखना है, अगर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस है तो पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में ही रखना है बस। You cannot interchange between the tenses, right? Just the उसका next form, next past form में चला जाएगा। Now, till now it was pretty much easy, but here you have to remember if the sentence that is given, अगर वो already past में दिया हुआ है तो हम क्या करें फिर? So that is very important. See, if it is already there in simple past tense, suppose inverted comma के अंदर जो है वो already simple past tense है, तो अब क्या करें? सिंपल प्रेजेंट था तो उसको तो सिंपल पास्ट में कन्वर्ट कर लिए थे, इट वाज इजी इनफ। लेकिन अगर ऑलरेडी पास्ट टेंस में है कि माय फ्रेंड सेड दैट, माय फ्रेंड सेड कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा वी केम हियर एवरी डे, सो वी केम हियर एवरी डे इज पास्ट टेंस ऑलरेडी, सो विल आई जस्ट कीप इट जस्ट दैट वे और आई हैव टू चेंज इट? ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू चेंज इट। व्हाट? पास्ट टेंस अगर होगा तो इट विल बिकम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, प्लीज note it down, take a screenshot, whatever it is, it's better you write it down somewhere instead of taking screenshot, because screenshot वैसे ही गैलरी में जमा रहता है, कोई पढ़ता भी नहीं है। So it's better if you write it down, you know, you remember it for a longer period of time. तो writing is very very important. जो भी सीख रहे हो उसको लिख लो, तुरंत लिख लो, जब the more you write the more you remember for a longer period of time, right? Okay. Now, so as I said that कि अगर मैं बोलूँ कि my friend said कि we came here every day, तो how will I change? Past perfect. My friend said that they had come there every day. So had come मतलब past perfect में change हो गया, simple past, right? Now look at this. अगर already past perfect में ही है sentence, now what should I do? चलो, already it's in past perfect tense. If I say this way, my friend said, inverted comma, we had come here every day. Now change it to past perfect continuous tense, right? past perfect continuous हो जाएगा अगर वो past perfect में दिया हुआ है तो। My friend said we had come here every day, within quotation, change it. My friend said that they had been coming here every day. So they had been coming because it is becoming past perfect continuous tense. Clear? Please take a screenshot or you note down somewhere this entire list because it's very very important, very very important. Here I have not written one thing that is missing here, it is future tense. बहुत ही easy है। अगर it is in future tense में तो हम लोग एक ही helping verb use करते हैं, that is will, as I was telling, will, shall, whatever it is. you just have to change it to would. Okay, so if I say like my friend said we will come here every day, my friend said that they would come there every day, so will become would, क्योंकि will मतलब हम लोग आएंगे, कल ही आएंगे. अब मैं जब ये बात किसी और को बोल रही हूँ तो what happens, you know, I just say कि वो लोग बोल रहे थे कि वो आएंगे. अब that is not confirm आएंगे कि नहीं, but they were saying कि they would come. they would come में थोड़ा difference है, will come और would come में there is a difference. कि will means it's confirm I'm coming, would में they had planned it, now it's up to them whether they are going to, you know, apply that or not. So that's how we should do. Okay, so maybe I can just write here on the top because I have space here. आप लोग डायरेक्ट इंग्लिश स्पीच का तो लिस्ट बना लिए होंगे, तो यू हैव स्पेस ओवर देयर, यू प्लीज राइट डाउन लाइक दैट ओनली. सो अगर फ्यूचर है, सो आई विल नॉट राइट फ्यूचर, आई विल जस्ट राइट इट दिस वे, विल अगर है तो इट विल बिकम वुड. अब यहाँ पर एक और चीज, वन क्वेश्चन अगेन अराइजेस दैट अगर शैल रहा कि आई शैल कम, तो शैल की जगह शुड आई राइट शुड. शैल के लिए शुड होता है, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेंटेंस usually for shall also we use would, so you can write will या shall, दोनों में ही I will write would. okay, so अगर sentence में should applicable है, because you know should का मतलब कुछ और ही होता है कि we should do this, मुझे हम लोग ये करना चाहिए, तो it talks about something that morality comes in question. so in that case अगर वो sentence में suitable है तो you change it to should, लेकिन अगर sentence में should is not suitable then you keep it to would, you do not have to change it, right? So this is the perfect complete one where you can just, you know, take the list and you can apply the rules accordingly in your answer, right? Okay, so that's how we do it. Now let's come to the example part. Now it becomes very difficult, you know, इतना याद रखना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है कि मतलब कौन सा सिंपल प्रेजेंट है, कौन सा कंटिन्यूअस. सो दैट इज व्हाई यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट टेंस. अगर टेंस में तुम लोगों को ऑलरेडी पता है कि हाँ चलो इसका तो यही होगा, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू कैन डू इट वेरी इजीली, क्योंकि हम लोगों को देख के ही पता चलता है कि कौन सा कौन टेंस है. इफ इट इज हैव और हैज इज देयर, तो वी नो इट्स परफेक्ट टेंस. तो परफेक्ट है मतलब अगर प्रेजेंट का होगा तो इट विल बिकम पास्ट, अगर ऑलरेडी पास्ट का ही दिया हुआ है तो इट विल बिकम पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. सी हियर. So that's how you have to be very careful about the tense as well. So let's talk about the examples now. So maybe I can go to the next slide. I hope you have taken the screenshot of this. Let's write an example, okay? A very easy sentence. He said, I am happy. बहुत ही easy है, कुछ उतना difficult है नहीं. Which tense is this? We know it is simple present tense. मतलब it is talking about all the time that he is happy. So just change it to he said, I got that, क्योंकि हम inverted comma को उठा रहे हैं, so I'll have to use that. अब present tense रहता है तो as I had told you simple present रहेगा तो वो change हो जाएगा to simple past. So just change it to simple, no need to do anything else. Just helping verb को change करो, your work is done. That. अच्छा, I है यहाँ पर speaker. Speaker है he, तो वो है I, मतलब I की जगह क्या आएगा? Him he आ जाएगा, right? He said that he am will change to was. He was happy. So see how according to the rule I have changed the present tense, simple present tense into simple past, right? Very, very easy, easy enough. Now look at the sentence number 2. Now Raj said our country passed through a crisis for 10 years. अब यहाँ पर country में तो you can change it to family also, whatever it is, it's still the same thing. Now when I'm changing it to that, you see, यहाँ पर simple present था, right? Reported verb के अंदर जो speech था, it was simple present, but here it is which tense? Simple past tense, right? This is simple past. So according to the rule, if you turn your pages, you will get to see simple past tense अगर already है, what will I change it to? It will be past perfect tense, right? So you have to change it to past perfect. So the same thing, it will remain the same. Raj said, so that will come क्योंकि that है, इसको मैं I'm going to remove this inverted comma, so I'll use that. Now our country, वो बोल रहा है, राज बोल रहा था, speaker is Raj. Who is the speaker? Raj is the speaker. कौन बोला ये बात? राज बोला कि हमारा देश. तो we'll talk about his country, that country. अब उसको we don't know where is he born. Now you can say our country, अरे उसका country तो हम लोगों का भी country है. Of course, if it is only he belongs to India, हो ही सकता है कि he belongs to German, he's brought up there. So for him, German is his country. Even if he has got Indian origin, he has got Indian parents, but for him, his motherland would be German because he has been born over there. He has been brought up over there. So we don't know that. That's why we will keep it simple. His country will keep it. We will not generalize the entire thing. Okay. Raj said that his country, as I told you, simple past hai, then I have to change it to past perfect tense. Had passed through a crisis for 10 years. जैसा है वैसा ही रहेगा. There is nothing to change, so it will remain the same, right? So that's how when it is present tense, I'm changing it into past tense. Now present का कौन सा category? As we all know, every tense has got 4 subcategories: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Same goes for past, same goes for future. तो present का तो past हो जाएगा, सबको पता है, लेकिन present का कौन सा part है ये? So you have to be careful about that. अगर present, simple present है, I cannot make he was being happy. I cannot do continuous. Simple present है तो simple past ही करेंगे. So let's see some few other examples. Okay. Mr. Roy said, "We will reach your house very soon." Now, very interesting. Who is the speaker here? Reported verb में speaker कौन बोल रहा है? Mr. Raj, right? He is the speaker here. Now, हम लोग तुम्हारे घर बहुत ही जल्द पहुंचने वाले हैं. यहाँ पर तुम्हारे घर, who is तुम्हारे घर? तुम कौन है यहाँ पर? Who is you? Is it mentioned here कि Mr. Raj said to Rohan या फिर Mr. Raj said to me? कुछ ऐसा नहीं दिया हुआ है. So it is less complicated. We do not have to do a lot of brainstorming here. You जैसा है, let us keep it that way. बस स्पीकर है मिस्टर रॉय, सो वी विल बी चेंज टू व्हाट? आई कैनॉट से ही, क्योंकि अगर वो आई बोलते तो मैं ही बोलती, बट वो बोल रहे कि वी, मतलब मिस्टर राज के साथ यहाँ पर और कोई भी है जो लोग रीच करने वाले हैं. देयरफॉर आई हैव टू टेक इट एज अ प्लूरल बिकॉज वी इज प्लूरल. सो इन दैट केस वी विल डू दे. ओके. मिस्टर रॉय सेड, नाउ लेट्स मेक ए इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. ओके. मिस्टर रॉय सेड, again we'll have to bring that. Now here for we have to use they. You can say that ma'am, Mr. Roy is a singular person, so why can't we just make I? But यहाँ पर we है plural, मतलब he is trying to say there is somebody else also with him, so I cannot write it singular. That will be wrong. Okay, grammatically wrong. So it should be they. Now as I was telling you, for future tense will change to would. So they would reach योर हाउस. यहाँ पर यू कोई मेंशन है ही नहीं, सो आई कैन कीप इट जस्ट द वे. सपोज मिस्टर रॉय जिसको ये बात बोले थे, मैं भी उसी को वही बात बोल रही हूँ कि तुम्हारे घर वो पहुंचेंगे बहुत ही जल्द. सो हियर यू विल रिमेन जस्ट द सेम. मिस्टर रॉय सेड दैट दे वुड रीच योर हाउस वेरी सून. ओके. नाउ सो एज यू कैन सी, will has changed to would according to the rule that I have already given you. And अगर यहाँ पर one more trick is there, यहाँ पर your has not been changed, but if I would have just said कि Mr. Roy said to my sister, okay, Mr. Roy said to my sister, we will reach your house very soon. तो यहाँ पर क्या change हो जाता? Mr. Roy said to my sister that they would reach her house, क्योंकि मेरी बहन के घर वो लोग जाने वाले हैं, right? So it will be her house. So accordingly it will be changed. अगर यहाँ पर वो होता तो मैं इसको change करती, but it's not there, so I'll keep your as your only, right? Your will not be changed. See, I have kept it same. अगर यहाँ पर बोला जाता कि Mr. Roy said to Neha या my sister or Rahul, then I would have changed it to his house या her house. Clear? So that's how we change it. Now let's see another example here. Look at this sentence now, very interesting. The Prime Minister, this is very important. Okay, Prime Minister says, I work for the welfare of people. Now here, when I say about this, what happens? I have to consider it this way, that here look at the sentence. This sentence, is it in present tense or is it in past tense? We have to be very careful. Reported verb जो है वो किस tense में है? अभी तक till now whatever sentence we have discussed, they were all reported verb was in past tense. मतलब वो सब काम already हो चुका था a long back. But here when I talk about this sentence, says present tense, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ये बात बोलते हैं, मतलब दिस इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट, मतलब वो पहले भी बोले हैं, अभी भी बोल रहे हैं, एंड ही विल कंटिन्यू सेइंग सो. वो ऐसा बोलेंगे इन योर फ्यूचर ऑल्सो. आई वर्क फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ पीपल. सो मैं लोगों की भलाई के लिए काम कर रही हूँ. लाइक वी नो ऑल पॉलिटिशियंस दे लाइक से द सेम थिंग. So it's like a very common dialogue for all the politicians. So I don't know how far is it true or false, but yeah, we have to take it into consideration. So he says that it is a present tense. Reported verb जो है वो है present में. In that case, if the reported verb is in present, we will not change the part that is within inverted comma. अगर वो present में है तो वो same present में ही I have to keep. I will not change it to past tense. Right? So in this case, the rule will deviate. This is an exceptional case where we do not deviate. Okay? अगर reported verb is in present tense, then the sentence within inverted comma will not be changed. क्योंकि वो ये बात हमेशा बोलते हैं. He is always saying this same thing. So why will I make it past? मतलब वो अभी भी कहीं पर जाएंगे तो वो he will say the same thing again. Therefore, I have to stick to it. Okay? Say like this. So it will go just this way. The PM says that now I के जगह who is the speaker, prime minister, तो of course I के जगह we have to write he. He works for the welfare of people. Okay. See, in this case I haven't changed this sentence anything. Only I की जगह will come he, or of course we know in simple present tense अगर subject is singular, I और you को छोड़ के, yeah, leaving out I and you. So subject अगर singular है तो हम लोगों को verb के साथ we have to add this s, right? We have to add this s. Otherwise we cannot do it. Otherwise the sentence will be wrong. So apart from that change, I haven't changed anything in this whole sentence. As you can see, it is still exactly the same. Therefore, how do I have to keep it? Here, reported verb was present. Similarly, agar suppose look at the examples of universal truth, where we say like it is said the sun rises in the east. Now it is universal truth. It is said है, past tense है, लेकिन फिर भी I cannot change कि the sun rose to the east, because how can you make it past? This is something which is happening, you know, all the time. Therefore, I cannot change it. I cannot change the tense of it because it has to be logical, right? हमेशा हम लोग grammar का rule, of course, will apply only if it is logical enough. Why were we changing before this past में? क्योंकि reported verb past में था तो वो काम already हो चुका था. But now we are not talking about that. ये हमेशा होता है. So I have to keep it present only. Same goes for any universal truth. Okay. Our teacher said, अगर वो उसमें past भी है, reported speech अगर past में भी है, reported verb I mean, तो भी हम लोग change नहीं करेंगे the inside part. Why? Because in that case the meaning gets changed, right? I'll just give an example, it will be clearer to you. The teacher said the earth moves around the sun. Now, very important. Here you may ask that, ma'am, you said कि अगर reported verb present में होगा तो ही हम लोग उसको ऐसा ही रखेंगे, वरना change करना होगा. अब यहाँ पर तो ये past में है, reported verb is in past tense. Then I have to change earth moved around the sun. मतलब अभी वो sun के ये around is not revolving anymore. Of course, no, that's wrong. The earth is still moving around the sun, right? Therefore, I cannot change it into past tense. ये पास्ट में होने के बावजूद भी I will not change because the sentence that is given here, it is an universal truth. ये हमेशा के लिए it is true, it will never be false. Therefore, when I'm changing it into indirect, I have to keep it just the same. The teacher said, देखो reported verb is in past tense, ये है past tense में, but still I am not changing. Exceptional cases, only for universal truth, something which continues to happen, which will happen even in your future, in the past, and you know it will go on happening. So in these cases we have to keep it like that. The teacher said that the earth same रहेगा, moves ही रहेगा, we will not change, moves around the sun, right? So in this case I'm changing it, reported verb past में है, but फिर भी I'm not changing it into any other tense because it is always present, it will never become past, a thing of past, ये कभी past नहीं हो सकता. So for this cases we will not change. In this case the rule will deviate. Okay, so that's how we have to remember, otherwise you know it gets mixed up. So these are the basic things you have to remember. Now there are few things about there are some changes in rule or in application when we talk about you know some other part of sentences, for example questions, requesting. So in that part we have some little bit of difference in the rule that I am going to talk about now.